We use high-quality wheat flour, purified water, salt, and kansui alkaline solution to make strong and delicious noodles. We mix wheat flour with purified water, salt, and kansui to create elastic noodle dough.
We use automated roller presses to flatten and strengthen the noodle dough sheets. We use precision cutting machines to shape the noodles evenly. We steam the noodles to partially cook them and improve texture. We use vegetable oil and flavor enhancers to improve noodle taste and texture. We shape the noodles into compact blocks for packaging and cooking convenience. We fry the noodles in hot vegetable oil to remove moisture and extend shelf life.
We cool the noodles before packaging to keep them fresh and crispy.
We prepare seasoning powder, dried vegetables, and flavor oil for every noodle pack. We package the noodles carefully to keep them fresh and ready for customers. Our noodles are now ready to be delivered to stores around the world.